Hey, welcome to day 22 JavaScript question. Today we will be solving array prototype last. The question says, write code that enhances all the arrays such that you can call the array.last method on an array and it will return the last element. If there are no elements in the array, it should return -1. Let's look at the example. So in this case, we have input array with 3 elements, and when we call the function, we get 3, that is the last element of the array. And in the second example, the array is empty, and when we call the function, we get -1. So we need to understand how we can solve this problem. Whenever we create an array in the JavaScript, it is an object of type array, and on this object it has a property called prototype that is shared between all the array objects. That contains methods and properties like push, pop, and length. So whenever we try to access a property on the array, for example length, it checks if that property exists on the array or not, and if it does not exist on the array, then it checks in the prototype. So for this question, we need to create a method last, and we can do that by adding it to the prototype of the array. So let's start array.prototype.last, and we need to create a function. So we will be calling array.last function. So it will be from an object. So to access that object, we need to use this keyword. Let's create a variable length that will be this dot length, right? And we will check if length is 0, we return -1, else we return this of length -1. That's it. Let's run it, and it works. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such content. See ya.